What's going on, YouTube? Good morning, man. Good morning. It's the next day, man. It's the next day. I'm here making me some coffee. Gotta get that coffee in this morning. What's up, man? Right now. Right now, I'm on the way to Corpus Christi to drop off this load. I'm like an hour and 20 minutes away, so I ain't too far. I should get there right when they open. And hopefully they got me these dispatchers got me below already. Hopefully. And we can have a nice smooth day today, unlike yesterday. That's good. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back at y'all boys when we get on this road. I'm trying to make it to this receiver. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Appreciate them comments, y'all putting in my comments and everything. Appreciate it all, man. But yeah, let me see y'all when we hit this road, man. Let's go. I'm going. Just gotta go this way. Alright, y'all. Try to find out where this is going. I don't know where I'm going. I'm trying to find somebody. Oh yeah, I am in the international. That's not the Hino, I'm in the international.
Arrive at your destination. Arrived.
I'm in the international. Excuse me, do you know where I go for drop-off?
For drop-off? Oh yeah, give us 1 second. We'll take the forklift right out there, alright?
All right, cool.
That's your Halliburton, right?
Yeah, Halliburton.
10-4.
All right, thank you. Yep, this is where we at. So y'all, I'm finna get on the back of this truck real quick, get this stuff unstrapped. Yeah, it's all right back. Alright, y'all, this is the load. This, some kind of metal stuff. Not this. This is trash that got back here. Well, not trash. Yeah, man. Let me get this unloaded, man. I'll get back to y'all.
Hey, I'm reading up. They might be getting with the stadium. Who's going for it?
Not Kansas City.
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia, all the way. They're going.
Eagles.
It should be a blowout.
Oh man.
It should be a blowout.
If
it's not a blowout, I don't think I'll watch football no more. And I love football. I just want to see a good game. I don't want to see no stupid flags. Like, they trying to win a game, man, to go to the Super Bowl. So I don't want to see nobody barely get touched in the flag. Just a regular. Yeah, the LeBron James out the way. Get that out the way. Get the LeBron James.
Yeah, that one game with the Texans when they pushed him out of bounds.
Man.
And he was hot.
Man.
Come on, dude.
Like, I understand they beat us straight up. We still got to score the points to win. But the refs, them flags was crazy. Like, all this dancing in the background, him running, and then don't go out of bounds, dancing, juking, playing around, and then just fall straight down. Come on, man, what we gonna do? We gotta come hit you. You playing with us now. Like, I just want to see a good game. I really don't care who wins, but I really want to see a good game. It should be a good game. It should. Well, y'all have a good day, man. All right. Just like that, man. We out. BOL signed. Had a little nice football conversation with these men up here, man. They real cool, man. You'll meet some real cool people at places you drop off, man. You know, people like talking to people that drive trucks for some reason. And you know, that's cool with me. You engage with me, I engage with you, I love it. Oh, man. Y'all see all this crap back here? That's crazy. I'm gonna throw all that stuff away eventually. That's not mine. But yeah, man, I'm gonna hit y'all back. Still haven't got a load. Haven't heard from dispatchers or nothing yet. I'm empty, as y'all see. In Corpus Christi. Still haven't heard anything about a load, and it's what? Going on 9:30 a.m. That load must have been booked already, y'all. It's must have been booked already. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna do too much complaining today. It's a new day. I'm gonna hit y'all back, man, when I hear something. Probably got some good footage with them. They was talking. They been loud back there talking. They started talking about the Texans in the Super Bowl and this cheating ass Patrick Mahomes. We stopped at Whataburger. This Whataburger look fire. We got an upstairs in there. We might have to go up there and sit, man. Oh, it's fire. I got an elevator up in here. Oh yeah, this fire. This is fire. But yeah, man, we can get our food. I'm gonna get y'all right back, man. Stay tuned, man. Alright, y'all, we is at this upstairs at this Whataburger. It's really kind of wild. Oh man, what's going on, y'all? I'm back. Y'all, it is what, 12:30 in the afternoon, and I'm still here. We are still here at Whataburger, waiting on dispatch to give us a load. Now, If y'all are in a transportation game, if y'all ever book loads or know about booking loads, y'all know that's very unacceptable, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't see what they're doing or how they doing it or what they not doing. But me still sitting here going on 1 o'clock in the afternoon after I dropped that load off early at 8 o'clock this morning, it's crazy to me. It's crazy to me. But hey, you know, it's gonna get better, y'all. It's gonna get better. We gonna get there, we gonna grow, and we gonna get to where we need to be. But yeah, now right now I'm just going back in Whataburger. Oh, thank you. Just going back in Whataburger, grabbing some to drink, and get back to this truck. Bro, we probably finna go walk on the beach, man. The beach is right here. We finna go walk on the beach, man. We've been sitting here. I don't know why I ain't been thought of that. That's what we about to do, man. That's what we about to do, y'all. Cause they tripping. They tripping. We done made it back to the truck, man. Still at Whataburger, as y'all can see. Still ain't got no load. And it's going on, what, 2 o'clock? But yeah, I'm probably gonna end the video right here, man. Just end the video right here. As y'all can see, back of the still empty, no loads. So yeah, man, I'm probably gonna end the video here. Get back with y'all tomorrow with some more content. But yeah, man, y'all be blessed. Don't forget, hit that like button, notification button, subscribe, man, and hit that notification bell, man, so y'all know when my videos drop, man. Until then, we out, man. What's going on? All right, y'all. I'm actually in Corpus Christi right now. I'm picking up a load, going back to Houston. I'm at the port in Corpus Christi. Got a load, going back to Houston, man. I'll show y'all the load in a little bit. Get loaded. After he finished loading this guy over here in this truck, I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff. Putting this truck up, get this pallet jack and stuff out the way. Oh man, it's been a long day, y'all, long day. I hope y'all been enjoying my videos too, man. I'm trying real hard for y'all, man. I'm trying real hard. And to give y'all these videos consistently with good quality, good information, and all that, man. I'm trying. Again, we're in Corpus Christi, picking up a load. I believe it's only one pallet. It's only one pallet. It says 1,600 pounds going back to Houston. I really don't care at this point. So I'm just ready to get back to Houston because I've really been stuck here forever. So get something to just make it back. And this hole is getting worse. Cause then it just rained. It just rained. So I was riding in rain and you can see where like the water and the mud was just coming up through that hole into the box into the truck. You can see it. It's another little hole right here. Yeah, you need to hurry up and get that fixed, man. You need to hurry up and get that fixed before they get too much, too bad. Anyway, man, I'm gonna get back at y'all boys, man. When he come over here, he get done with old boy over there. I'm gonna get back with y'all, show y'all the load this stuff up, man. Yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Just seen it right here.
$1, 99 by 20. Where is that?
Oh no, I'm picking up.
Oh, you're picking up?
Yeah, I'm picking up.
By 20. Hold on.
All right. All right. Just gotta wait on him to go find out some extra details about it or something. Hope we don't have no hiccups, man. Oh, we don't need no hiccups, man. We don't need no hiccups. Please just let me get loaded. Y'all stay tuned, man. That's the pallet right there, y'all. That little brown crate. That's it. That's all I'm getting. About to load it on here. Yeah, man, let's get this loaded and hit this road, man. Let's beat this road, man. You know how we do. What's going on, y'all? We got loaded. As y'all seen that last little clip, but my phone storage is full, so y'all missed a lot. It was a lot dealing with that load. Cause now down here, this the load right here. Let me get up there and show y'all. Make sure my gas still pumping. Let me show y'all, man. Let me show y'all this. This is how I had to put it on here. It wasn't on this pallet at first. It was just this crate. We had to scrap it, put it like this. And the reason is because how long it is, he tried to put it on straight in, but it's too long to fit between the doors. So we had to figure out a way. But I told him, get a pallet, put it on there sideways, just put it in here. I was gonna move it back, but I can't because it's so heavy and the pallet jack really not gonna go under there. So I just told him, can you just leave it right here? So when I get to the receiver, they can just get they forks and pull that boy off. And we ain't gonna have no problems, hopefully. But it's a lot of space left back here, but as y'all know, man, I was stuck. So this load just really gonna be gas just to get back home, so we're not deadheading back home. So this basically is gonna pay for gas right here, out of a dead zone area, which I really ain't tripping. That's cool. y'all. About to get the gas. Hit this road. I'm about 3 hours and 30 minutes from Houston. 3 hours and 30 minutes from Houston. So I'm finna get this gas up. Yeah, man, I'm gonna make it to the receiver like around 6:30. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna be closed. So this probably just gonna most likely drop off in the morning. Pretty sure gonna drop off in the morning. But that's cool. As long as we get back, start back fresh skin tomorrow, man. But yeah, man, that's about it for this video. For this little piece, just want to show y'all that load. How I got it on there, what happened with it. But yeah, man. I'll see y'all a little later, man. Got to hit this road, man. Got a little ways to go.